Hi everyone, I'm Miss Jennifer from the Anderson County Library, and this is Miss Allison. If she looks familiar to you, it's because she's worked in the circulation department at the main library for about 8 years now. But just recently, she came over to work for us in youth services, bringing her many gifts and talents working with children to our youngest patrons in Anderson. We have a special fun science-y treat for you today with a hat tip to our friends at the North Hollywood Regional Branch Library in California for the idea of bubbling blobs. This experiment reminds me of the lava lamp my son had when he was a kid, and it's so simple it only takes a few ingredients and you might already have them right there on your shelves at home. First of all, you're going to need a small glass container. We recycled a jar of artichoke hearts. The whole container holds about 12 ounces, and we filled it with 4 ounces of just plain old tap water. Next, you're going to need some food coloring. Miss Allison, what color have you picked for us today?
We're going to use blue, I think.
Go ahead and put in about 4 drops of blue food coloring.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. And we'll give that a swirl. All right, mix it all together. And then you're going to need some vegetable oil. Any brand will do. Gets a little slippery there. We got this from the dollar store. And you're just going to fill up the rest of the container with vegetable oil. Wait for it to settle. But here comes the fun part. The last ingredient is effervescent tablets. Alka-Seltzer's fine, or you can use the generic brand. Really doesn't matter. Take out 2, and Miss Allison's going to break one in half. Put that in. Break another one in half. Put that in. And while the chemical is reacting, I'm going to plug in the shop light to light it from the side so you can focus on the experiment. And Allison's going to tell you a little bit about the properties of liquids.
Density has to do with how heavy or how small a substance is. So in this experiment, our heavier is our water, and our smaller density is our oil. And so you get to see the chemical reaction of how the water and the oil react with one another and with our food coloring to get this very fun chemical reaction. You can see how rapid it's going with all the different chemicals in it.
If you'd like to learn more about the properties of liquid or the states of matter, check out some books from the Anderson County Library. You can put them on hold straight from your house and pick them up whenever they're ready. Have fun with your science, everyone!